Today, we have an unbelievable lineup of cars. We're going to be showcasing a classic Muffy D on a Daytona Charger, a C7 Corvette with a $3,000 MEISTERSCHAFT system, an 800 horsepower Cadillac CTS-V with a Corsa XTREME system, and finally, a wide-body Hellcat Challenger getting the infamous Borla attack.
My name's David. I'm the Muffy D winner from last Saturday. Let's go. Made my car a beast. I appreciate you, G.
This shit crazy. I'm in Miami with Gucci Roll, look like flavor. This murder shit ain't none of me, whacking shit on the daily. Little bitch say she ain't.
The MEISTERSCHAFT system is the definition of excellence. 100% mandrel bend, full stainless steel, usually referred to as the Rolex of the exhaust system. If you want to stand out and separate yourself from the group, this is what you need. Up next, we have one of the most aggressive cars that's ever visited the shop. A highly modified 2019 Cadillac CTS-V. Yo, come here. Let me show you what we did to this. So it's a highly modified CTS-V, and we went ahead and installed a Corsa XTREME system on it. All right, this thing's got a big cam, meth injected, it's got long tube headers. Take a listen to this thing and tell me how aggressive it sounds. Finally, we have the top tier of the Mopar line, a wide-body Challenger Hellcat. And we're going to be putting on the infamous Borla attack system. Now, if you drive a Hellcat and you don't have a Borla attack system, do us all a favor and take those keys back to the dealer because you belong in a V6. From a classic, trademark G exhaust Muffy D all the way up to a $3,000 MEISTERSCHAFT system, G exhaust does it all. So reach out right now in our DMs for an instant quote on any of these top of the line systems.